She sat by the window again. Same chair, same view. Every morning, Mrs. Gracie told herself, "Tomorrow, I'll exercise." But tomorrow kept turning into next week. Her sneakers gathered dust. Her treadmill became a clothes rack. And the thought of fitness felt like something only athletes or young people could do. Yet Gracie was only asking for one thing. Just 20 minutes a day. But it felt impossible. Until one morning, something changed. You see, for many seniors, the barrier isn't weakness. It isn't age. It isn't even health. The barrier is the idea that walking must be exercise, that it needs machines, that it belongs to gyms, that it requires motivation the size of a mountain. But what if walking could slip into your life? Quietly, naturally, almost like breathing? Imagine this. You walk from the living room to the kitchen. That's 2 minutes. You walk around your garden, your balcony, or even just your hallway. That's 5 minutes. You walk while waiting for your rice to cook. Another 3 minutes. You walk outside, just to feel the sun on your face. 10 minutes gone without even noticing. No gym. No special equipment. Just footsteps, woven into your day like thread and fabric. But here's the irony. The danger is not the absence of exercise. It's the presence of stillness. Stillness creeps in like a thief. It stiffens the joints. It fogs the memory. It steals the energy that should belong to your golden years. And the weapon against it? Not weights. Not machines. Just walking. Because research shows, walking just 20 minutes a day lowers the risk of heart disease, sharpens the mind, eases loneliness, and extends independence. Not by running marathons. Not by punishing your body, but by simply moving. So, to every senior listening, don't wait for gyms. Don't wait for perfect shoes. Don't wait for motivation to arrive. Start with the steps between your rooms. Start with the steps to your mailbox. Start with the steps you take to greet the morning sun. And one day, you'll look back and realize, you never found time to walk. You simply lived it. Because in the end, walking is not exercise. It is freedom disguised as footsteps.